When is that train gonna come? We have to try the stunt. Justin, can we just go home? We're gonna get in trouble for doing this. Come on, don't be a wimp. Told you it'd be easy.
Blip, blip. Hey, kids, get off of there now!
Good evening, people. I'm Sally Walker, bringing to you alive in an area where two boys have been ran over by a train at 6 in the morning this morning when their parents weren't even noticing. There were Justin Ferguson and Kyle Walker. And right now I'm bringing to you alive with a police officer who saw the two boys get ran over this morning. And it's Officer Jones. Officer Jones, do you have anything you'd like to say about this?
Why, yes I do, Sally, yes I do. I saw these two boys step onto the railroad tracks when their parents aren't noticing. I told the boys to get off, but it was too late. The train went RAM right into them, just like that. Don't ever step on the railroad tracks, kids. Seriously, don't do it. Whoever is out there, I swear to God, I'm out here. I'm going back to Boston.
Okay, thanks for the info. Now, what we have to say more about—
Wow! Mother TV time again! I'm Peggy! I'm Mama! I'm Papa! I'm Sister! I'm Brother! How are we all doing out there? Hello, New Jersey! Hello, Pennsylvania! Hello, Maryland! Hello, America! Hello, everywhere!
Okay, that is just plain impossible. I mean, only like 18-year-olds who are graduating from high school going out of senior year would do something stupid like that.
Well, but what about Percy?
If there's anybody who can stop Diesel 10 or Davius Diesel, who can? The engines! The engines! Well, Percy's a little bit stupid as a stupid 18-year-old who would do dumb stunts to kill himself. Well, he's not that stupid as one.
Percy's dumb, alright. Dumb as Toby's grandma.
Hey, my grandma got dismantled, Salty.
Really? By what?
I'm bored. What do you guys feel like doing? How about we watch a movie? Oh, that's a good idea, Henry. Yeah, sure is. Oh! Unstoppable! Wait, what? What's unstoppable? You guys can't be serious. You never heard of the movie Unstoppable before? It sounds like the name of a cop movie, Gordon. Oh, no. Unstoppable is such a good movie. It was released at theaters in 2010. Yeah, I don't know if we would want to watch a movie that's been around for 4 or 5 years, Gordon. Oh, it's an action movie, and it's about a runaway train. I think you guys will like it. It's really good. Yeah, okay. Oh, okay, well, nice.
I'm hopping out.
Do not get out of that cab, man.
Don't worry, I'll set the Independent.
Do it.
Ah, what's happening?
I think he's standing out of the chair inside the train for a minute.
Oh! What? Why would he do that? Yeah, get back on the train, you crazy moron!
No one should leave the train and keep it running. He's not gonna make it. Yep, definitely not gonna make it. I'm not gonna let it get away.
Hello? Hello? Huh. I guess everyone's at the funeral.
Stop running, man. Seriously. Come on. Come back here. Come on. Come on. Stop. Oh, gee whiz. What the heck, Thomas? You let him get away. Who? The killer. The engine who ran over those two boys. Well, I'm trying to do my job. And so should you, James. Well, I'm busy doing something for the island, and it's trying to be a charming hero. Just so I can impress Emily and get her to like me a lot. Oh my god, James! Emily really loves you, man. Just stop it with this I want Emily to love me crap. Whatever, Blue Boy. James, I knew we should not have done Unstoppable last night. You're not mature enough. Up, Gordon. The real thing you're supposed to say is, James, how is this going to work? James, how is this going to work? Ooh, I'm glad you asked, Gordon. How this trap is going to work is that when that runaway unexpected train comes by, you know, the one who killed those two 7th grade boys from 12, 13 years old, it's going to hit the freight cars really hard and derail right off the track on its right side. And if it doesn't derail, then other people will be killed. Yeah, what's going on, my people? Ugh. I knew I shouldn't stick with the job where I rob houses. I'm tired of being a trip. Ha! I told you it would work! Yeah, I don't even care, James. Yeah, gangsters, that's right. I'm the man who ran over that 12-year-old and 13-year-old from the Soda Middle School. Yeah, I broke the middle school's heart, bro. I'm telling the truth. I'm from the gangsters. I'm from New York. I am calling the cops. Pfft, the cops can't catch me if I'm faster than all you slow folks. So long, sucker. Uh-oh. Shh, it's all unit. We got a runner. So, Sir Topham Hatt, what are you gonna do now, since we dealt with that engine who killed those two kids? Are you gonna go watch some more of that crappy Peggy the Pig?
Are you gonna watch monkeys who are born from outer space?
The hell? No, heck no. I don't want to be doing that. You should not be watching that show. No. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go kill some middle schoolers when they're sleeping tonight.